Welcome to our channel, Content Creators. Are you tired of spending hours searching for the perfect images to complement your written content? We have an exciting solution for you. In today's video, we will introduce you to Leonardo AI's incredible text-to-image feature. With this powerful tool, you can easily generate stunning, realistic images directly from your text. Get ready to revolutionize your content creation process. Let's dive in. Leonardo AI's text-to-image feature is a game changer for content creators worldwide. No longer will you need to go through countless stock photos or struggle to find the perfect image that matches your written content. Leonardo AI effortlessly generates images that bring your text to life. Let's take a look at how it works. First, you need to provide Leonardo AI with a text prompt. This prompt serves as the basis for generating your image. It can be as simple as a single sentence or a more elaborate description. Leonardo AI's advanced algorithms then analyze the input and create a stunning image that aligns with the provided text. Let's explore some examples of prompts and see the incredible results produced by Leonardo AI. Imagine writing a peaceful sunset over the ocean. Leonardo AI will generate an image that perfectly captures the tranquility and beauty of this scene. The generated images are impressively realistic, making them ideal for enhancing your content. The possibilities with Leonardo AI are endless. Whether you're a blogger, a social media influencer, or a website owner, incorporating these stunning images into your content will significantly enhance its engagement and impact. Let's see what other prompts can unlock the potential of your imagination. There you have it, fellow content creators. Leonardo AI's text-to-image feature is the ultimate solution for those in need of stunning visuals that complement their written content. By effortlessly transforming your text into realistic images, Leonardo AI streamlines your content creation process, saving you valuable time and effort. Start utilizing this incredible tool today and witness the tremendous impact it will have on your content's engagement. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tutorials and updates. Until next time, happy content creation!